Greta the goat makes German Christmas Stollen kids. In Germany, Christmas smells like warm bread and snow. Today, a gentle mountain goat named Greta wants to learn how to bake a special Christmas bread called Stollen. It looks like bread covered in snow. Is it really food?
Yes, Greta. And today you will learn how to make it step by step. Greta, pour half a cup of warm milk into the bowl. Now add 1 small spoon of yeast and 1 spoon of sugar.
The milk feels warm, like a blanket. Kids, when tiny bubbles appear, it means the yeast is awake. Wake up, dough. Christmas is waiting.
Now add 3 spoons of soft butter and 1/4 cup sugar.
It is becoming shiny and smooth.
Good. Now a grown-up helps add 1 egg.
Mix until the batter looks calm and creamy.
Slowly add 2 cups flour. Now add 1 pinch cinnamon and 1 pinch nutmeg.
It is snowing in my bowl. Kids, mix slowly until the dough feels soft but strong.
Now add a handful of raisins and a handful of chopped almonds.
Every fold hides a surprise. This is where Stollen becomes rich and festive.
Shape the dough into a long oval. Fold one side slightly over the other.
It looks like sleeping bread. Let the dough rest so it rises slowly. Kids, a grown-up places it in the oven. Stollen bakes at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. It smells like Christmas morning.
Brush 2 spoons melted butter on top.
Now sprinkle powdered sugar until it looks snowy. My favorite job? Soft inside, sweet outside. Kids, Christmas food teaches patience and care. Like, share, and subscribe to your all-time favorite RiRo Kids Tales for such delicious kids love Christmas recipes videos.